Welcome to our review of the Sony a7 III camera. If you're in the market for a new camera, you'll definitely want to consider the a7 III. This camera is packed with features that make it a top choice for photographers of all levels. First, let's talk about the image quality. The a7 III has a full-frame 24.2 megapixel sensor, which captures stunningly detailed photos and videos. The camera also has a wide dynamic range, so you can capture both bright and dark areas in your shots with ease. One of the standout features of the a7 III is its autofocus system. The camera has 693 phase detection autofocus points, which cover 93% of the frame. This ensures that your subjects are always in focus, even when you're shooting fast-moving action. The a7 III is also a great choice for video shooters. It can record 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, or Full HD video at up to 120 frames per second for slow-motion shots. The camera also has a range of video-specific features, such as S-Log3 Gamma and HLG, Hybrid Log Gamma, support for wider colored grading options, and an HLG picture profile for shooting in HDR. One of the things that sets the a7 III apart from other cameras is its battery life. The camera can shoot for up to 710 shots on a single charge, thanks to its high-capacity battery. This makes it a great choice for long shoots, or for photographers who need to be out in the field for extended periods of time. The a7 III is also built to last, with a durable magnesium alloy body that can withstand the rigors of professional use. It's also dust and moisture resistant, so you can take it with you on all of your adventures. Overall, the Sony a7 III is a versatile and powerful camera that's perfect for photographers of all levels. Whether you're a professional or just starting out, the a7 III has the features you need to capture stunning photos and videos. The Sony a7 III is a full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera that boasts a 24.2 megapixel BSI image sensor, 15-stop dynamic range, and 14-bit uncompressed RAW. With a 693 phase detection and 425 contrast AF points, the a7 III has 93% image coverage and can shoot up to 10 frames per second with AE/AF tracking. It also has a 3-inch LCD screen and is black in color. Some key features of the Sony a7 III include its advanced 24.2 megapixel BSI full-frame image sensor, which has a 1.8x readout speed, as well as its high-quality 4K video and impressive 10 frames per second continuous shooting speed. The camera also has in-body image stabilization and a 2.36 OLED viewfinder with 0.78x magnification. In addition, it has a touchscreen and dual SD memory card slots, as well as a USB 3.1 Type-C port. One of the standout features of the Sony a7 III is its improved noise and high ISO performance, thanks to its back-illuminated sensor and front-end LSI and Bionz X processor. This allows for faster data readout and processing speeds, resulting in crisp, clear images and video. The camera also has a large buffer capacity, capable of capturing up to 177 JPEGs, 89 compressed RAW files, or 40 uncompressed RAW images in a single burst. In terms of design, the Sony a7 III is compact and lightweight, making it easy to take on the go. It also has a durable build, with a shock-proof, temperature extremes, waterproof, and X-ray-proof design. This makes it ideal for a variety of shooting situations, including outdoor adventures and events. Overall, the Sony a7 III is a powerful and versatile camera that is suitable for a wide range of photography needs. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiast looking to up your game, the a7 III is an excellent choice. So, if you are planning to buy a new camera, consider the Sony a7 III as it has all the features you need to capture stunning photos and videos.